today's word is fardali. What's a fardali? This is a fardali. Yes, it's an apron. In Italian, we say grembiule. So, before you cook, put on your apron. Prima che cucini, metti tu fardali. Prima di cucinare, metti il grembiule. That's the word for today. Guys, please subscribe to the new YouTube channel, newly named YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana Word of the Day. It was originally Italians of Montreal and Friends, but now it's the new Big Mama Siciliana Word of the Day. Please subscribe for more videos e come sempre ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo!
Italiano mambo italiano, Poco shake like a Giovanni. Hello che si dice, get a happy in the feet.